Long-haul flights can feel like an endurance test, can't they? Hours trapped in a metal tube, surrounded by strangers, and the endless drone of the engines. But with a few genius hacks, you can turn that marathon into a more manageable journey. Let's dive into 10 tips that will help you survive and even thrive on your next long flight. First up, seat selection. Choosing the right seat can make all the difference. If you're a light sleeper, aim for a window seat. You can lean against the wall and avoid being disturbed by fellow passengers needing to get up. If you prefer easy access to the aisle, go for an aisle seat. Just remember, the closer to the front you are, the less turbulence you'll feel, and you'll be among the first to disembark. Next, let's talk about packing a personal kit. This should include essentials like noise-canceling headphones, a neck pillow, and a cozy blanket. Don't forget a good book or an e-reader loaded with your favorite titles. Having your comfort items can make the hours fly by. Hydration is key on long flights. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry, so drink plenty of water. Bring an empty reusable water bottle and fill it up after you pass through security. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can dehydrate you even more. Now, sleeping tips. Bring an eye mask and earplugs to block out light and noise. Try to adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your flight to align with your destination's time zone. If you can, take short naps during the flight, but don't sleep too long or you might feel groggy when you wake up. Movement is crucial during long flights. Every couple of hours, get up and stretch your legs. Walk up and down the aisle if you can. Simple stretches in your seat can also help prevent stiffness and improve circulation. Your body will thank you when you land. Entertainment backups are a must. While most airlines offer in-flight movies, their selection can be hit or miss. Download your favorite shows, movies, or podcasts on your device. Before you board, bring a portable charger to ensure your devices stay powered throughout the flight. Dressing in layers is another smart move. Airplane temperatures can fluctuate, so wear breathable layers that you can easily add or remove. A light sweater or scarf can keep you warm when the cabin gets chilly, and you can shed it if you start to feel too warm. Don't forget to bring snacks. Airline food can be hit or miss, and having your favorite snacks on hand can make a long flight more enjoyable. Pack healthy options like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit to keep your energy up. Power charging is essential. Many planes now have charging ports, but not all do. Bring a portable charger to keep your devices alive, especially if you're relying on them for entertainment or navigation upon arrival. Finally, freshening up before landing can make a world of difference. Pack a small toiletry kit with face wipes, deodorant, and a toothbrush. A quick freshen up in the restroom can help you feel more human and ready to tackle your destination. With these 10 hacks, long-haul flights don't have to be a nightmare. They can be an opportunity to relax, catch up on your favorite shows, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. If you're ready to book your next adventure, check out a flight booking app that suits your needs. Safe travels.